The NextGen Umrah Leaders Trip is the culmination of 4 years' worth of hard work to bring forth the next generation of leaders for the Islamic community in Australia. The purpose of this Umrah was to retrace the footsteps of the Prophet ﷺ and to learn and see the environment in which the message of Islam first sprouted and moved on to the rest of the world.
The NextGen Umrah trip has impacted me by helping me understand the significance of brotherhood, the importance of having a safe, comfortable space where we can speak our mind.
Our intention was to retrace the prophetic trail, and we were blessed with the chance to dive deep into the seerah of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ.
It also impacted me through all the workshops, taught certain skills and tools I should have as a future leader and reformer.
We had the humbling opportunity to meet and learn from scholars, which inspired us to reflect on our mission and strive for self-improvement.
And all these talks and workshops were mostly based on the seerah of the Prophet ﷺ, the battles he went through and the challenges he faced.
Our schedule revolved around ibadah and fostering brotherhood. The blessed environment encouraged me to focus on my worship and strengthen my connection with Allah. It was a transformative journey that strengthened my iman and reminded me of the beauty and the depth of our deen.
Our leaders had many experiences and plenty of opportunities to demonstrate their skills and experiences that they have built up over the past 4 years. And inshallah, in the years to come, they'll be able to take the experiences from Umrah and serve the community in Australia.